咁喺巴基斯坦移民過嚟香港，咁我自己咧就喺香港土生土長大。
Ifdhel Zafar joined the Hong Kong Police Force in 2015 and has been serving the team by making full use of his language advantage.
有啲係巴基斯坦啊、印度啊其他族裔嘅人士咧，咁我都可以透過用我嘅語言啦，去同佢溝通，去了解嗰件事啦，同埋去調查多啲，攞多啲情報啊咁樣。
In 2017, when a distressed Pakistani man climbed up a crane seeking to commit suicide, Zafar was commissioned to come to his rescue.
都係講翻自己巴基斯坦嘅烏都語啊咁樣同佢溝通咯。因為佢係唔識講廣東話嘅，開頭佢嘅即係情緒咧好波動嘅，好高漲嘅，咁同埋佢有啲即係心事啦，咁慢慢傾完之後咧，佢都肯落翻嚟咁樣，咁啊即係成功咁樣救翻佢落嚟啦咁樣，會有好大嘅成功感咯，因為最初我加入警隊就係想以我自己非華裔嘅身份去幫翻一啲非華裔人士同埋香港嘅市民，咁我都做到呢樣嘢咯。
Since 2013, the Hong Kong Police Force has been providing free classes each week in the Yo Tsim District and Yuan Long District to help youths of foreign descent to learn the Chinese language and Hong Kong culture and help them integrate into local communities. Zafar was one of the beneficiaries.
之前就係學生啦，依家用一個導師嘅身份咧，喺星期六啦，得閒嘅就會翻去教翻啲唔同嘅人啦，咁啊一啲技巧啊，或者佢哋可能想考警察，我話翻俾佢哋聽應該點樣考啊，點樣準備啊，體能啊、面試啊嗰啲，亦都會即係回饋翻俾呢個普世計劃啦，因為佢哋都幫咗我好多。希望用我嘅經歷啦，同埋我嘅身份咧，同埋我嘅背景啦，就會去話到俾一啲少數族裔聽，其實大家都係有機會啦，只要你肯努力。達到嗰個要求之後咧，其實你都係可以做到嘅。